As a part of the ongoing drive against illegal poppy plantation at various locations of Technopole district, a combined team of Technopole district police, narcotics and affairs of border and 8 Manipur rifle destroyed around 47 acres of illegal poppy plantation at the Gomi Hill range under Machi police station jurisdiction. Former Tripura Chief Secretary Yashpal Singh was produced before the special judge Sabyasachi Datta Purkayastha of the West District and Sessions Court the previous day. As per reports, Singh, who is one of the prime accused of the state PWD scam of over rupees 600 crore, was flown in to Tripura by a morning flight from Ghaziabad. US President Donald Trump will inaugurate the Motera Stadium when he arrives in Ahmedabad Monday next. According to sources, the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) announced that the Motera Stadium in Ahmedabad, Gujarat will be the world's largest cricket stadium with a seating capacity of over 1 lakh, being constructed at a cost of rupees 700 crore. Popular smartphone manufacturer Realme is all set to launch a 5G smartphone in India on February 24th next. The company claimed that the smartphone Realme X50 Pro 5G will be the first 5G smartphone of India. As per sources, Realme CEO Madhav Seth announced that India will be getting its first 5G phone on February 24th. Vivo is gearing up to launch its 5G smartphone in India on February 25th. At least 20 people were killed and several injured in a major accident in Tamil Nadu's Coimbatore early this morning after a Kerala State Road Transport Corporation bus collided with a truck container. The bus was on its way to Kerala's Ernakulam from Karnataka's Bangalore.